Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be opening my iMac computer that I got. So I have this huge box. I got it 2 days ago and I haven't had a chance to open it. I've been so excited, really eager to open it, but I didn't get a minute at all because things keep coming up like but now I'm like, I have to do it. I just came from my prenatal checkup with my physician and I'm like, no, I have to do it. Let me do it. So now we're gonna open it and see what's in this box. Okay, so yeah, here I have a box opener. Here's everything. Has never been opened. It's been raining like crazy and things just keep popping up unexpectedly. Like yesterday we had this crazy day, unexpected. Nothing went the way we had planned. We couldn't go to work, anything. So I was out. I was stuck in like other businesses, offices, trying to fix things. Wow, look at this. Whew. It's okay. So I sliced my box open. I'm gonna have to bend my computer screen. This is what it looks like here. So inside this box, here's the computer. Wow, so nice. Whew. I need somebody to help me, but I'm home alone with just my little girl and I, just the two of us. Whoa, 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 whoa! Out! Woo! Okay, so that's out of the way. I got the box out of the way. Now we have this one. How can I open it? Is it upside down or something? Here's what it looks like. Okay. Here, iMac is upside down. Here, iMac. Okay, and here is what the box looks like. And here's the other side. Everything. So let's see how I can get this to open. Do I tear it? Do I cut it? Slice it? Oh, I see something here that I must just okay, so it has this tape that it says pull. So I just pulled that. And now, what do I do from here? Oh, I need help. I need help. Oh my god, I should have never done this by myself. Oh god. Here. Oh, wow. Okay. So they have this for protection. Ooh. So here we have the monitor. But how do I get it out? How do I get it out? Wow. Ooh, not as easy as I had thought. Because I'm just like scared of lifting weight. Yeah, I'm just scared of lifting the weight, so mine is in my bump. Oh god, so this is nuts. Oh, I should have done this when my husband was around so that he would help me with it. But I'm doing it on my own, and it's a challenge. Ooh. Okay, so here we have it. That's the back. No, it says hello. Oh yeah, that's the back. So here, all we're gonna do right now is just open it, so that way this video won't be eternally long. Okay. Now we have this compartment here that I'm gonna have to figure out how to open it and stuff slowly. Okay, so here. Oops. Wow, this is what it looks like. Okay, we got the keyboard, the plugs and everything. So that's what's in here. Wow, so pretty. I'll show you. Here's what we have. Matching keyboard and everything. So exciting. Oh god. Let's see. Here we have an S charging thing. I don't know what else they... Oh, okay, I guess that's for the mouse. Here's the mouse. same color and all, but the colors on the bottom of it and the sides. So anyway, no big deal. It's really nice. I decided to get a desktop because my laptops keep breaking. I have like 3 laptops here. None of them is worth the other. So because my kids get into them, they spill water, juice, and everything, so they keep breaking. So hopefully this is gonna give me the peace of mind and everything that I expect from getting this desktop. Okay, so here is the power cord, here's the extension, and I don't know what this is. I guess that might be just little instructions and stuff. So that's all that's in the box, just the computer. Okay, and then the other accessories that we need: the charger, the mouse, the keyboard, and everything. So here it's this big gigantic box. Ooh, it's so solid. I might make a table out of it. So okay guys, so that's the opening of my iMac, and it's very pretty, it's very nice. My son chose the color and he chose lavender, and it's really pretty, it's nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and give it a thumbs up for more to come. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Okay, thank you so much. Mwah.